Well, it is finally outdoor week at my new build Pacifico house, or should I call it Outdoor week? That is right, we start our outdoor decking today, and it is going to be teak decking from the front gate right through and around. This will be our main living area of the house, so we are now so close to finished.
I've been building timber decks for around 15 years, and the outdoor decking system would have to be one of the fastest systems we've ever worked with. The system arrives on site complete with construction drawings and layout with all members numbered clearly. Overall, the team's super impressed with the system.
This is my ta-da moment. Outdoor designed quick build to be an easy and more efficient way of deck building, which it is. My tradies said it was fantastic to work with. It also has the Global Green Tag certification, which as a consumer makes me feel good about the product that I'm using in my house. The other terrific benefit is the fact you can use any finish you like, whether you want pavers, synthetic turf, or like we've used here, hardwood. So you can pick and choose your surface finish. The beautiful flow that it's created inside to outside of my home with no difference in height is what really makes this system work for me. So now back to outdoor living at our new home.